In this tutorial, I'm briefly going to talk about the in-program tutorials that Adobe has started to add to all of their products. To show you, whenever you open up Photoshop, just focusing on Photoshop for this example, up at the top here you should see a section about Build Your Skills. This is an area where you can actually look at several of the different tutorials that are actually contained directly in the overall Adobe software package. This isn't like having to find a tutorial on the internet, go out, look at it or watch it, and then try to follow along in Photoshop. You're actually completing the tutorial directly in Photoshop. So to give you an example here, maybe I want to look at how to combine images. So I come under the drop down here and I actually select combined images. It shows overall some different options here. So for instance, maybe I want to start on the very first one, and Essentials for Creative Effects. It'll open up the video here where you can talk about that. You can also, too, add a person to an image. So notice when I clicked on that, what it did was it opened a file for you, but also over here, notice your Learn area. Your Learn area is actually built right into the program. So if I hit the Next to begin, it gives you the directions, but also it gives you references as far as being able to work in the program here. So I click Layer 2, and you see here now it takes you through every single step of the process here. At any point, you can save. So overall, these are some excellent options as far as being able to go through and actually seeing and practicing within your interface on how that will look. The other option too is you can go to Learn either by clicking or using your eye icon. You'll see the list of all the in-app tutorials here that you can activate, but also all of your web-based tutorials as well. So it does go over all of them as far as what options are available to you, the user, but also on the flip side, if you want something that's a little bit more hands-on where you're not having to go between the website and the program, having those hands-on tutorials available is a nice option so that you can work within the actual interface instead of having jumping between the two.